Hi, this is a quick overview of me unboxing my Tineco A11 Hero EX vacuum cleaner. If you haven't heard of Tineco yet, you will. I've done a lot of research and they've got a lot of great reviews, and these are two examples of why I need a really good vacuum. One of the reasons I picked this particular one is it has an extra battery, so twice the life in about 40 minutes. This vacuum comes with a lot of accessories. It converts to a smaller vacuum, and it converts to a handheld. It has a HEPA filter and it has lights. Here's an example of the smaller handheld, and here's what it looks like put together. Here is me opening and unboxing, and the owner's manual, and some tools to clean out the filter and clean the brush. This is a pre-filter cleaner to clean the filter, the brush for this smaller handheld, and I'm going to flip it over here and you can see it's got like a rubber part and a brush. And here is the main part for the taller part of the vacuum. And this part is to put all of your accessories with your charging station, which is really helpful. A crevice tool and a brush, and if you push the button, it goes from this brush to one that extends out to a different kind of brush for different types of upholstery. Your standard plug for the battery charger. The battery charger holds both of the batteries that come with this, and this is for the top battery that goes on top, and then the main battery goes in with the whole compartment. It slides right in there, and it comes with screws to install on the wall. This is the main vacuum part. It is for carpet and for hardwoods. It has a roller brush and it swivels, you can see, all the way to the side. This is the handheld part that shows several of the filters. You can see above my finger there's a trigger that will lock into place and hold it down, and the top part there sets different vacuum strengths, and this is my extra battery. I did know it's going to come with a special gift, so I'm pretty stoked about that. This is more information about the 2-year warranty, which I hear they are very responsive to. There with me, and there are the lights. If you've never had lights on your vacuum, it's very helpful. This is my dog, who's usually terrified of vacuums, but this one's really quiet, so she actually sat and watched me. This is me going from carpet to hardwood, and my other little dog back on the hardwood. This didn't have a fully charged battery, and it really just went and went and went. This is me using the handheld on my upholstery, and these were the results after just a few minutes. Again, the Tineco A11 Hero EX. I'd get